All right, kindergartners, on this page, this is the kindergarten class toys or playground equipment, and we're going to decide which things have wheels and which things do not have wheels. We're going to write the number above and below, and we're going to decide which one is greater. So the first thing we need to do are find our things with wheels. Since it's a wheel, let's go ahead and put a circle around the wheel. Does that sound like a good idea? All right, here we go. Well, this tire is definitely a wheel, right? That's kind of a fun thing to play on. So there's one. Here's a little car. This is definitely a little playground item that has wheels. The bikes, absolutely. Another bike. How about this car? It sure does have wheels. And this bike up here has wheels. Now, the other things do not have wheels, do they? But let's go ahead and count the ones with wheels. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So above the wheel, let's make a number 6 because that's how many have wheels. Now let's count the ones that do not have wheels, and we'll just draw a line through them. Slides, no wheels. 1, monkey bars, nope. 2, swings, nope. 3, another monkey bar. 4, another monkey bar. 5, another swing. 6, and a slide. 7. Let's make sure we did that correctly. This time I'm not going to talk while I count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That was correct. All right, kindergartners, when you're counting groups that are mixed up like this, it's a really good idea to go back and double check your work. Okay, which one is greater, the wheels or the not wheels? You're correct. 7 is greater. Good job, kindergartners. You could even X out that 6 if you wanted. Let's go to the video now.
What does the picture show? The picture shows toy animals. What types of toy animals do you see? There are cats, dogs, bears, horses, a pig, and a goat. What are the two categories on the chart?
They have bears and not bears.
These are teddy bears, and these are not teddy bears.
All right, we're going to count the teddy bears, then we're going to count the not teddy bears. So let's count our teddy bears first. They're going to do this with us, but we'll do it first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If I had a pen, I'd put a 6 there. Let's count the other ones now, the ones that are not teddy bears. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So are there more teddy bears or more that are not teddy bears? I bet you know the answer.
What do the tally marks represent? Each mark represents an object that fits in that category. How many tally marks are in the teddy bear category? There are 6 tally marks in the teddy bear category. How many tally marks are in the not teddy bear category?
Do you remember 9?
9 tally marks are in the not teddy bear category. Do the numbers match the number of tally marks?
Yes, they do. Even though I like our
the
tally
numbers
marks
show
better.
the number of toy animals in each category. What are the arrows below the 6 and 9 pointing to? The arrows are pointing to where the numbers 6 and 9 are in the counting sequence. Which category is greater?
Oh, you know the answer to that one.
The toys that are not teddy bears. How do you know that category is greater?
Because 9 is greater than 6, or 9 comes after 6 when we count.
9 comes after 6 in the counting sequence, so 9 is greater than 6. Which category is less? How do you know?
we know that 6 is less because it comes first.
Teddy bears is less. 6 comes before 9 in the counting sequence.
Now you know how to sort categories by counting.
All right, let's go practice on our own now. Turn to the next page in your book. On this page, we're going to count the blue crayons and the ones that are not blue. So the first thing let's do, let's find our blue crayons. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. And the 4 was already done with you, and you just have to trace over it. There you go. All right, let's count how many are not blue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We counted correctly. There are 7 that are not blue. All right, which group is greater? I know you. Wait a second. Have the students, it's asking you, there, see, this is what makes me so confused in this book. This one, it wants you to circle the less than one, but let's not do that. Let's go ahead and circle the greater one always. So we would circle the not blue and we would X out the blue. I know it's asking you which one is less, but let's go ahead and always stay with the consistent thing because that's normally how people would do it. So let's look at our book. Your helpers might be able to help you with some of this, but for the most part, I think you can do it. So we're always going to circle the greater group. We're always going to X out the less group. All right, kindergartners, these are the blocks that have the letter A on them. These are the blocks that do not. So let's go ahead and count how many have the letter A. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good work. Let's go ahead and put a 4 under here. And then let's count the ones that do not have a letter on them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. Kindergartners, which one is the greater group? The greater group is the one without the letters, so you can circle it over here. Good job. Let's go ahead and open books, not open books, or closed books. Let's count the opened ones first. 1, 2, 3. 3. Good work, kindergartners. And then how many are not opened? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Good work. Let's go ahead and make a 7. Which group is greater? The ones that are not opened yet. Oh, I hope all of your books are opened because you're always reading them. All right, I'll go over the directions on the next page, and then you can do it on your own. All right, this is going to look very, very similar to what we did before. You're going to count the yellow balls and the not yellow balls. Circle the group that is greater. Count the green pencils and then count the ones that are not green. Which group is greater? Remember, we're just going to always circle the greater group. Then the bottom is a little bit higher thinking, which means you really have to think. The fish are sorted into fish that have spots and fish that do not have spots. Have the students draw fish so the categories have an equal number of fish. Then write the number of fish in each category. Ask, how do you know the categories are equal? So that's what you need to do. You need to see how many fish are over here, how many fish are over here. And we want equal groups of fish. All righty? So these are the ones with spots, and there are only 1, 2, 3. These are the ones with no spots, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many fish do I have to add here to make it 5? Ooh, go ahead and add that many. Make your 2 5s and explain to your helper why they're equal. Good work, kindergartners.